Welcome to the 360 Let's Go video tutorial series, and thank you for starting your journey to become a 360 expert. In these next videos, we are going to learn how to capture images and video and save those images and videos from your Z1 camera, pictured right here, to your phone's camera album, followed by posting the images to Facebook and the videos to YouTube. We will also explore how we can upload our content, the pictures and videos, to a virtual tour software, such as Matterport or Cloud Pano. As you can see right here, this is our Ricoh Theta Z1 camera. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over a brief overview. As you can see there, the lenses, well, there's one lens on that side, there's another lens on that side. That's how it gets the 360 effect. This is the shutter button. We'll be clicking that for taking photos. There's a little LCD right here. And then we have 4 buttons on the side. Power, connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mode, and function. These buttons function similar to a TV remote, except for they have dual purposes. You can press or long hold for a different mode on each of them. On the bottom we have the charger port, and then also the tripod mount. So let's go ahead and turn this camera on. For the power button, to turn it on, you hold and press, or you press and hold for about 3 seconds, and then the blue light's going to start to flash on. If you're experiencing difficulties turning it on, check it and see if it's charged. And if it's charged, there's also a chance that the camera has been put in standby mode, in which case the light will blink red. So there we go. It took about 10 seconds to turn on. You can see that we're in camera mode right here by the little icon, and then we have a flashing Wi-Fi symbol and then a Bluetooth symbol. Up here we have our battery percentage, 97%, and then we also have how many photos we can take in the current mode. So if we want to take a picture, all we have to do is push the shutter button. It makes that sound and we have a picture taken. Now, because it's 360 degrees, we're going to be in the photo, so if we want to be able to hide from the photo, say go behind a beam in the house or around the corner, duck behind a couch, we can put a timer on. So to do that, the bottom button here, the function button, you just click it, and now there is a timer, little timer icon right there. And if we push the shutter button, we have a 5-second timer, which is just barely enough to hide behind something. So later when we look at how to use the camera with the app, we can set that timer to a longer duration. So let's go ahead and turn that timer off by pressing the function button. And now let's press the mode button to switch to video mode. Now it's exactly the same in video mode. We just push the button and a video starts. Push it again and it stops. And you have that little chime that's a little bit different, so you can know when it's starting and stopping. Now if we wanted to do the same thing, with the timer we push the function button, and there that timer is on, and now the timer is off. Finally, if you want to connect this camera to your phone, you're going to need to enable the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So there is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth button right here. If you push it once, the Wi-Fi emblem or icon turns off. Push it again, it turns back on. If you want to control the Bluetooth, then you have to hold it down for a little bit, and then the Bluetooth symbol comes off. And then press it, we turn the Wi-Fi off. So let's press it to turn the Wi-Fi back on, and press and hold to turn the Bluetooth back on. A quick note, the other buttons do have the same functionality of that press and hold. It will give you another menu option down here, but that gets a little bit complicated, and I prefer to operate the camera from the app.